Hey everyone, it's Royer from RLocal12 and EpicDrive.com with a super quick video showing you guys how to fix the issue where your drivers aren't properly installed or properly assigned to your devices when you're trying to access them through Fastboot. So a lot of times you'll have a device, you plug it in, and when you go into Fastboot, they often will say to try out the command Fastboot devices, and Fastboot devices is a great way to check and see if your device is connected. However, there will be times where you try to do it and it says it's not connected, or it doesn't actually show anything. Or you'll send another command, like Fastboot reboot, and you'll get this little command here that says waiting for device. You can see here that I am plugged in. I do have my phone plugged in there. It's also plugged in on the computer. You guys will have to take my word for it. It's a pain to move right now. But it is plugged in, but it says it's waiting on device. The easiest way to fix this is that you already have ADB installed. We know that because we're running ADB and Fastboot commands. But if you go into your device manager, you'll scroll on down and you'll see other devices, and then you'll often see this Android. It'll maybe sometimes have a different name sometimes, but something along those lines. It'll have a little yellow warning there, and then you right click on it, you'll hit update driver, and you go to browse my computer for drivers. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this. My personal favorite is to do let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You click that, and because it sorts alphabetically, you should see Android device towards the very top. You're going to select that, you're going to hit next. It's going to give you a couple of things there, hit next again. And it says, warning, this device driver is not recommended because Windows cannot verify it is compatible with your hardware, and blah, 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 blah. Basically, just make sure, can't blame them if you've messed it up. So it's successfully done. And presto, if you guys look here, it actually rebooted while I just finished setting up that driver. So the issue's already fixed. I'll show you guys what it looks like here in just a second. We're going to hit Fastboot. I'm sorry, now we're going to hit ADB. So ADB reboot bootloader, which will take us directly back to the bootloader. And now that the bootloader's up, we're going to type Fastboot devices. And you can see there, it pulls up the serial number, it says Fastboot afterwards, and then I can type Fastboot, reboot, or Fastboot, whatever other command we want to type, and it's going to work. So there you have it, a super quick and easy way to fix the drivers on your computer so that you're able to access your device through both ADB and Fastboot. If you guys have any questions about the process, if you have any questions about the products you've seen in this video, or anything else under the sun, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.